The quadrilateral hierarchy. The quadrilateral hierarchy you used in class is shown below. To fill in the questions, to use it to answer the questions. Fill in the blanks. It says all trapezoids, so we're looking at the trapezoid, are quadrilaterals. And so we look at their arrow, and it points quadrilaterals down to trapezoids. But not all quadrilaterals are trapezoids, because a kite cannot be a trapezoid. So let's pick one. I'm going to say all squares are rectangles because it has four sides, it has four sides like a rectangle, and they all have four right angles. But all rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. And why that is because look at our rectangle. It doesn't have four equal sides like a square does. So you need to do the last one. Number 2 says all parallelograms have two pairs of parallel sides. Does this mean all rectangles have two pairs of parallel sides? And it says explain how you can tell by looking at the hierarchy. So if I look at a parallelogram, which is here, and the square, I need to know, or not square, we need to look at the rectangle. So parallelogram and rectangles. Does this mean all rectangles have two pairs of parallel sides? And I would say yes, because of the tick marks. My horizontal lines are parallel, and my vertical lines are parallel. So that is two pairs of parallel lines. So I'm going to say yes. Rectangles have two pairs of parallel sides because, I'm going to shorthand it, because the tick marks tell me the sides are parallel and there are two sets. Vertical and horizontal. You need to do B on your own. All trapezoids have at least one pair of parallel sides. Which other shapes have at least one pair of parallel sides? Explain how you can tell by looking at the hierarchy. Your key word in there is at least one pair. Could there be more than one pair of parallel sides and it still be a trapezoid? So now below we are dividing fractions. So let's do number 3 together. So you have 1/4 divided by 8. Our trick for dividing fractions is to keep the first number and then you change it to multiplication and you flip the other one. So now it's going to be 1/8. So 1/4 times 1/8 equals 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 8 is 32. So 1/4 divided by 8 is 1/32. Do the rest on your own.